as PM of the team, I don't code that often, so I like rarely understand the code that's being edited, like, and the code around the code that's being edited. So I kind of want to read up on that before I look stupid in front of the team.
Yeah.
I actually want to be kind of careful, like when you decide to tag any engineer or even when you want to file a ticket. In this case, I saw, there was this button and it was kind of confusing as to what it did. So my immediate thing is to say, okay, what does this button even do? I'm just asking a question. So then I pinged the team and I was like, hey, this is a strange behavior to me. I just confirmed that we don't need this button. I don't want to go around deleting people's buttons for no reason. So like, oh, we don't need it. Okay, great. So I told it to delete it. And actually I got distracted and I was working on some other stuff. Saw the change. We went back and forth. So I created a PR and I saw that my PR got approved, but there was a test failure. And, I have become so lazy. Like the moment I'm like, oh, I've got to go into like build kite and like look at the test logs, it's like, but the app has all these great skills. And so I could just click into the skills tab and I'd just be like, build kite. Okay, sick. Someone has like already figured this out for me. So I'd be like, okay, let's go back to this thing and just be like, build kite fetch logs, why failing? And it told me, oh, okay, you need to install the build kite tokens. So I did that. So I was like, okay, I ran the command to get a token, now fix my PR. So what I immediately did is I went to the top level folder in the repo, which is where all the skills are. And I just asked it to fix this problem. I had to ask you how to set the build kite token. I don't want you to have to do that next time. So, read the rollout, reflect on what might fix it, and like update the skill. I probably could have just said update the skill, but I feel like kind of helping it like know how to think through it results in higher quality, especially because I'm often using Codex on low, which I think is like an underrated technique. And so basically, we went had a bit of a back and forth, but ultimately made an update to the thing that is in a PR somewhere. Just to summarize, like we went through this inductive journey where I was looking at user feedback and I saw a thing, I asked the question, realized this probably needed to be changed. So then I like made the change and then in making the change I had a PR failure. So I used a skill to fix the PR failure, but then improved 2 skills kind of as I went. And so over time, Codex just gets like better and better in working on a code base, which is pretty fun.